We now teach a program where the in MIG in testing. Let the robot go home. Please check it. 0, 0, 0. Okay, go back. In teach. Create a new name. Set next. 这个 A 就出力了。This permit is set as the TCP, where they touch TCP. What's the TCP? When you where the round the touch Y point must set it TCP. Okay. How to set TCP? You can see it. Set the TCP. Okay. Please go. Okay. First, tall 2 point. We first test set 1 point. Read the thing. F1, 1, 2. Read the F1. F1 is let the eye exercise to 19 degrees. Trying is move, yes. The touch is moving the 19 degrees and local the eye. Okay, moving to here. This point you can find anywhere. We only use this point. Okay. 过去点，好。再过来一点，右边一点。Now is okay. This point, this Y point to this point center. Okay, set. Now is set 2 point. Set 2 point. Let the 19. Yes. Okay. You can see it. Okay. You can see it. Now in point go here, not here. We must let the 2 point wire point to this center point. Okay. Move. Must let the eye lock it. Okay. After you set it, must place the F1 is connect. Okay. Here is welding touch TCP. Okay. Save it. Yes, please. Okay. 等一下。移出去。Let the touch return. You see the program. You see the program. First from the robot home. Robot home. Go here. And next this one step. Let the robot home from home to here. The next step. The first step is from robot home to this point, and the next step just one step, one line, and the next step is please fast move. Let the truck. Yes, okay. Let the up. Okay. The next step is robot point to here. Okay. 참 반증이 되려고.你知道吗？像是的。OK， 按的时候怼了啊，怼上去了。往这个写。Fast moving to here. Okay. Track. When here is beginning. Only please the OK is okay. Okay. Next, let the touch. Turn here. Please arc. Line, begin arc. The next not use the arc. Must use the line. With the line line. Arc, line. Okay. The next, from here to here, use the arc. Line arc. The next is end. Is the end. Okay, must leave the touch. Fast moving return. Okay, fast moving. Okay. 太多了，过来看这个了。两个一块儿啊，看都看。抬一点。 is okay. The first moving. Okay. Track. Game. Is okay. Let's use the arc. Begin arc. Begin arc. Line to here, line is the line. Arc. End. Is okay. Okay. Next step is first moving. Let the last touch. Yes. Go here. Go here. Okay. Let the track is 20. Okay. The next step is not 0, 0 because 0, 0 is here. We must set the stop point here. Teach. And let the touch stop here. And please okay. Here, stop point is here. You know. Stop is here. If you change the stop point, only press the center and press the keys. Use the keys and moving exercise. After you, if you not stop here, I want to stop here. Only testing to here. Please okay. Okay. Now we only test just teaching program required or no, not welding. Okay. And now we testing use the welding power. Whether this.开始。开始拿吧。